Let's try this one. Uh, Scary Compy 57.
The following video comes from James Fodder, who recently bought a doll from a secondhand store. Apparently, the doll is worth a lot more than what the store was selling it for. For this reason, James had bought the doll. However, ever since bringing it home, strange things have been happening. From hearing strange noises at night.
Okay, no, this is definitely set up. Look at the angles, bro. Like, this is 100% set up.
To seeing doors open and close on their own. James suspects that the doll might be
like, what situation would this ever like really happen?
Responsible for the unusual activity in his house.
In front of your fridge.
And so, he decides to record the doll in front of a camera inside an empty room. He hopes to capture footage
I think I've seen this video.
Of something that would prove it's haunted.
The
Initially,
closet
nothing odd is captured in the first few days of recording. But then one night, something very strange happens.
Okay.
So if something moves, the camera pans around the room as though it's picking up movement from somewhere. This is what was captured.
I hate these, dude. They're so unreliable. And nothing in this room makes sense to film. So this camera makes 0 sense. Ugh. See, what an awful camera, bro. It's picking up dust and
Could it
no, that's the video? No.
be that the camera is detecting an unseen presence? Or is it just not functioning properly? Although it's likely that there's a
on the backbone of
problem with the camera, something really creepy happens 2 nights later inside the room.
Dude, yeah, he used this on that one doll video, like the Charlie doll or whatever. I don't know why. Like, it doesn't make it scarier, but I guess people
has made
see
him
it that
think
way.
that the camera was actually picking up something. James is away from home when the following happens.
Okay.
He writes, "Just wow. I've been leaving the closets open in
Yeah, dude, in
case anyone thinks I'm hiding inside. I don't even know what to say. This is what was captured."
And then you gotta provide a reason why you left the closet. It don't even make sense, bro. Nobody was questioning that. Where did I see this, dude? That had to be years ago. Maybe it was this video just a really, really long time ago. Bro, and it's doing the same thing. Pause game. And it's doing the same thing. Like it's catching the same spots and looking over in random directions. Like that's just the camera, bro. He had to have done that. Just rolled something out the bathroom door. Through something.
Out of James's bathroom comes out what appears to be a dark, shapeless figure. It seems to dart across the floor before disappearing from sight.
Or it's a cat, or...
James believes that this may have been the apparition that was
Nah, he like scooted something out that door.
being picked up earlier by the camera. He also thinks that this mysterious figure might be attached to the doll. Ever since then, he's been filming more at night. Little does he know that he would eventually capture something more terrifying than this.
Okay, yeah. Dude, 3 videos? Are you kidding me? I like the ones that at least show the bouncing box for where it detected. Dude, those are better. Then I really think it's like a part of like what the camera's trying to do. Otherwise, this is just like, you don't even know what it's looking at. I think I just saw what it did too. Bro, is that why he has those boxes off? Yep. I think it's getting pulled, and then it's aiming at the same location every time. Right after the doll movement. Yeah, and then it goes right over, right to this closet area. So I think he's pulling it from in here. I think. And then it's like, oh, shit, the doll moved. Let me go back. Dude, I agree. Like, there's too much setup for this one. Like, you collect like weird shit. So you bought this doll. Like, I don't know. It's too much already. Like, it does need to just be like self-explainable. Watch the video. What the that's the formula. Okay. Is that all? Oh my god, there's more. Dude, there's too many. This is too many. And you're setting up every video the same.
Continue to hold on to this doll, given what occurred. But it might be best if he keeps it locked up inside this room, as an occurrence like this definitely warrants it.
And why not just have a Ring camera? Why not just have a stable camera where you're not going to be able to manipulate it when it moves and pans? Yeah, dude, I think he's found a way to kind of make it move, either with his hands or something. Like, he's making it move. And I think he turned those boxes off, because I imagine that's an option.
The following video shows a priest who's about to give a sermon when something really creepy happens.
Dude, that one was like so overly faked. It was really like, that really put me off. Now, we really need like just a straightforward one.
Although not much info is given on the video, the title of the clip says it all, which reads, "A priest is about to give a speech, but immediately hears screams."
Okay, video. Show me video.
El Señor esté con ustedes y con tu espíritu. Lectura
That's not crazy.
del Santo Evangelio según San Juan. Gloria al Señor.
That's it?
The priest was immediately caught off guard upon...
Yeah, bro, because it's probably a real person screaming, you know? And who knows? It could be a mental break. They don't like religion. Could be anything. That's just... Bro, same with this one. It's just people who got way too much time. Homeowners especially got too much time. But I guess people terminally on the internet also have too much time. Bro, yeah, and the kids... Whoa. Number 4 to number 2? Number 4 to number 2? Okay.
This next video comes from Jack Steffens, who spent the night at a hotel that is considered to be the most haunted hotel in the US. The hotel in question is known as the Biltmore Hotel, which is located over in Providence, Rhode Island, and its history is lingered with paranormal activity.
See, it's... What are we doing? What are we doing?
But then closes again immediately. Terrified by this incident, Jack proceeds to grab his camera and records the following. This is what he captured.
Just want to see the video.
Alright, you can see that the bathroom is down there, at the end of the hallway. The bathroom door is the one that has been slamming itself by apparently unseen forces.
Okay, a hotel
I'm gonna stand
room.
here for a
Interesting.
couple minutes. If it happens again, then I'm gonna catch it on video. If it doesn't happen again, then I'm gonna set my camera down and try to just let it sit there and wait and catch it when it happens.
I'm kind of buying his behavior a little bit. It better slam if you're saying slam.
Did you see that?
Did you see that? You're lying. You're lying.
Did you see that?
Where is it? Where's the react? Come on, man. It just slammed
again.
unseen
I cannot
force.
believe I got that on video.
Nah, he's lying. He's just lying. Haunted hotels are the OGs of guerrilla marketing. Have a failing hotel property? Make it spooky and spread the word. Dude, exactly. And all these like, homes that they're trying to like can't sell the flippers even, so they're like, oh yeah, it's haunted now. A hotel's not a bad spin. I haven't seen that much hotel videos.
I cannot believe I got that.
Bro, exactly. I'm glad I'm not crazy, dude. That is not a valid response.
There is nobody in this room. Except for me.
The jig's already up. Oh, the dance. They slipped out already. Clean. That's some David Blaine right there. It's just not exciting when you know how it works. It's exactly like magic. Oh boy, how did we get to 1 so fast? What the where did 3 go? Did it get copyright claimed?
Lauren Combs and her dog Luna live in a house located in the middle of nowhere. Nothing but woods surround her home, and very few people come and visit as she lives in a secluded area far from everyone else.
Bro, they always
Although
hit that.
Lauren lives in complete
There's no one else here. There's nobody else in this room. I'm the only person.
isolation,
Something
something
variation.
very strange happened not too long ago that's made her wonder if she's actually alone. One night,
Okay, here we
while
go.
walking her dog through the woods, her dog Luna begins to act strange. The following is the video she took.
It's gonna be the same with the
Yeah.
babies as the dog. Sometimes they be on one. It's nothing crazy.
What?
Oh, don't let go of her.
Go home. Luna, go home.
Whoa, he's that good of a dog?
No, 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 no. Luna, come on. Stop.
Yo, what a well-trained dog. That's awesome.
It seems that her dog Luna is sensing someone or something nearby. Yet, there appears to be nothing suspicious in sight.
I can't
Now,
see,
like
though.
with most dogs, it could be that Luna had seen a squirrel or some small rodent, thus causing her to react this way. However, this wouldn't be the only time Luna acts strange, as on a different night, Lauren records the following behavior.
Because it wasn't that strange. Like, it was actually kind of normal dog behavior. And especially if this is like a farm dog,
from
like you are clearly on a big ass land plot. So if this is like a farm dog, I think that's even less of weird behavior.
Luna, what is wrong? What? What?
Give her pets.
Big head. What?
Not that crazy, bro.
Based on these two videos, viewers think that Luna is trying to protect her owner.
I didn't get anything from either of those videos. That was terrible. They're just kind of normal. Like, I don't know if the dog normally does that. It didn't seem abnormal.
But then one day, the strangest thing happened. As Lauren is resting at home, the following is caught on camera.
Bro, she always at home. She always at home. She got too much goddamn time. As someone who knows dogs, that is exactly how you get a dog to whine. Well, that just might be your door not fucking
Luna,
up.
come on.
Exactly, dude. She's like baby talking the dog in the last clip. Like, he's gonna respond that. That's what happened. That's why you're like hype him up when you want to hype him up. And then if you're talking all cute, and then he just went to check the door, sees nobody's there, and then goes back inside. Like, that's not weird.
But Lauren
And one, you could have added the doorbell sound, or your doorbell's up, which isn't crazy. It ain't even a ring. Faulty, exactly, bro. You know how they used to build houses? Like, every other house is faulty wiring. Like, I'm not gonna be shocked.
It goes without saying, but Lauren was shaken up by this incident. If no one had been at the front door,
Is there more?
it'd actually be haunted.
Wait, is this her? Is this? No, we've seen this video in the last Scary Com.
Luckily, Lauren was able to capture this odd occurrence on her security camera. Take a look.
With the hair pull, no way. This is not that video. Okay. Nah, she's like, the dog thing ain't doing it, and it's not hitting. The dog thing ain't working. I gotta try something else. Old farmhouse, definitely a candidate for some wacky electrical problem. Oh, I didn't even think about that. Absolutely. This is probably like
out of nowhere, the books on the shelf fall to the ground as though they were pushed off forcefully.
Nah, like they were pulled off.
Nowhere, the books on the shelf fall to the ground as though they were pushed off forcefully. Like most viewers, Lauren can't think of anything to explain.
Wait a minute though. It is weird that the top one falls first.
Were pushed off forcefully. Like most viewers, Lauren can't think of anything to explain this. But as always, what do you think? Could it be that
her reaction's weird though? No? She just walks directly into a different room? I mean, maybe that would be normal.
Of anything to explain this? But as always, what do you think? Could it be that Lauren is actually experiencing paranormal activity? Or is there something else going on? Feel free to share what you think down below.
No, I think she was trying to make scary videos, and it was just not that good.